Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I would like to welcome everyone at Mahdi English School online education. I am glad to see you all in a new session of mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is: anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. What we learn from this thought? That we should never stop learning if we are in any of the age, either we are at 20 or 80. Means learning is a continuous process from womb to tomb. Those who stops learning is old. So, my dear students, you have a very big sky for learning. You don't have any limits. So, start learning from today. Start learning new things. Get educated and make of your future bright. A very large best of luck for your future to all my dear students. Here we are going to start today's lecture. Yes, before we start the lecture, everyone sit straight. Make your back straight. Very good. Now close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. So, where we are right now? We are in the class of mathematics. And what we are going to learn? Before we start, take the notebook and pencil in your hand. Very good. Now, write the date and day in this corner. Today's date and a day. Okay. Everyone has completed. Very nice. Standard 1, subject maths. Everyone completed? Good. Now write chapter 6. Adding greater numbers. ADDING, adding. GREATER, greater. NUMBERS, numbers. Adding greater numbers. Everyone write this heading in your book. Now write exercise 6A. EXERCISE, exercise 6A. As you all know that in previous lecture we have completed one part of exercise 6A, and I told you that in next lecture we will complete the remaining part of this exercise. We are trying to complete this in today's lecture. If not, then we will complete it in next lecture. So, you all are ready? Right? Solve the following. I am waiting for you so that everyone can complete with me, as we are in the class of mathematics. And how we study in the classroom? We copy the work from the board. Here you have the colorful board. So, with the help of this board, I am guiding you and you have to copy it in your book. Write down SOLVE, solve. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following. Solve the following. Is everyone completed? Very good. Before we start the exercise, let me explain how to solve this sum. Here we have sum 2020 plus 7070 is equal to what? First of all, we have to prepare the equation 2020 plus 7070. Look, my dear students, here you have to become careful, as you all are using the square line book, right? So make sure that you have to write the numbers properly. 2 stands in the tens column while 0 stands in the ones column. There become the number 2020 plus 7070. There also you have to become careful. 7 will stand in the tens column while 0 in ones column. Why am I repeating this again and again? Because this is the most important part in the mathematics, and most of the students makes the mistake that they are not writing the numbers in the sequence. So 0 stands in ones place while 2 in tens place. Okay. Now we are going to solve the sum. Make sure that always begin with the ones. In other language, we can say that we can start solving the sums from right side only. I repeat, from right side only. Here we have 0 plus 0. We get 0, which we have to write in ones column. After solving the ones column, we have to move towards tens column, where there is 2 plus 7. By adding number 7 to 2, we get number 9. So at the end, we get the solution 2020 plus 7070 is equal to 9090. Now everyone, copy this sum in your book. 3737 plus 4242. Write this sum. 3737 plus 4242. Okay. Now what we have to do? I have just explained that first we have to solve the ones column. Here we have 7 plus 2. Now what we have to do? We have to count all these fingers together. You all wants to count? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Write down number 9 in ones column. Now move towards the tens column. Which numbers are there? 3 plus 4. By adding number 4 to 3, what we get? Want to count with me? Let's begin the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4, we get 7. Everyone, copy this sum in your notebook. 3737 plus 4242 we get number 7979. Each and everyone copy this sum in your book. Okay? Now write down the new sum. 5353 plus 1414. Copy the sum properly. 5353 plus 1414. Everyone has copied? Very good. Now we are going to solve the sum. And as I told you before, we will start from the ones place. Which numbers are present there? Look at there, everybody. There is 3 plus 4. Okay. Now you want to count with me. Let's begin the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write down number 7 in your notebook. 3 plus 4, we get 7. Now let's solve the tens column. There is 5 plus 1. What happens now? What will be the answer? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1, we get 6. Everyone copy this sum in your book. 5353 plus 1414 is equal to 6767. Write the new sum. 4242 plus 2727. Make sure that you have to write the numbers properly. Everyone has completed? Very nice. Now tell me, how can we solve this sum? Look, my dear students, here you have to write with me. Afterwards, you have to copy these sums in your maths fair book also. And make sure that you have to write with a very good handwriting in your maths fair book. Okay? So, here we are going to solve this sum. First of all, we will solve the ones column, which is 2 plus 7. Now look at your hands, everybody. Look at your fingers as you are seen in the board and count with me. How many fingers are all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Write down number 9 in ones column. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Here we have solved the ones column. Now move towards the tens column. Which numbers are there? There are 4 plus 2. Now what will happen? Yes, we have to count this all together. Would you like to count with me? Let's begin the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Here we have completed the sum. 4 2 42 plus 2 7 27. At the end we get 6 9 69. So my dear little students, everyone has completed. If not completed, then copy this. Write the new sum. 4, 7, 47 plus 2, 1, 21. What is the sum? 4, 7, 47 plus 2, 1, 21. Everyone write this properly. Completed. I hope now everyone has completed, so we can solve the sum. First of all, we have to calculate the ones column, which is 7 plus 1. Now tell me, what will be the answer? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Write down the answer in your notebook, everyone. Now start counting tens column. Which numbers are present there? 4 plus 2. At tens place we have numbers 4 plus 2. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now again, if anyone is remaining to copy, let's write the sum. 4, 7, 47 plus 2, 1, 21. At the end we get 6, 8, 68. Again I want to tell you that here you are writing in your rough book. Afterwards the same sums you have to copy in your maths fair book. So first of all, here you have to understand the sums with me, as well as you have to copy it in your rough book. So you all are copying now. Very good. Let's write the new sum. 6363 plus 1414. Everyone kindly copy this sum in your book. 6363 plus 1414. Is everyone completed? So we can start solving the sum. First of all, we will solve the ones column, which is 3 plus 4. Look at your hands and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4, we get 7. Here we have solved ones column. Now let's move towards the tens column. There presents 6 plus 1. Now who will give me the answer? What will be the answer? You want to know? Let's understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 1, we get 7. Now if anyone is remaining to copying the sum, copy this sum properly. First of all, write 6363 plus 1414. After counting the sum, at the end we get the answer 7777. I'm waiting for you. Everyone, copy this sum in your notebook. Is everyone completed? So we can move towards the next sum. Copy the sum. 3, 4, 34 plus 4, 5, 45. Everyone, copy this sum in your book. I know that you all are writing with me, my little students. 3, 4, 34 plus 4, 5, 45. Now, as you all know, how can we solve the sum? Would you like to solve it by yourself? Try it by yourself. I'm waiting. Then afterwards, you can match it with my answer. Is it right or wrong? 34 plus 45. Who is trying to solve the sum? Now let's solve the sum. First of all, we have to solve the ones column, which is 4 plus 5. Let's solve the sum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 4 plus 5, we get 9. Write this answer in your book. Very good. Now let's move to solve the tens column, which is 3 plus 4. Here we are going to count the fingers. Let's count it with me. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Copy the sum. 3, 4, 34 plus 4, 5, 45. We get 7, 9, 79. Is everyone completed? Very good. Write the new sum. 1, 4, 14 plus 4, 1, 41. Copy this sum properly in your book. 1, 4, 14 plus 4, 1, 41. Is everyone completed? Shall we start solving the sum? Let's begin the solution. First, we are going to solve the ones column, which is 4 plus 1. Now, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have solved the ones column. Now, let's move to solve the tens column, which is 1 plus 4. So, who likes to count with me? Count it loudly, Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 4, we get 5. 1, 4, 14 plus 4, 1, 41. At the end, we get number 55. Is everyone completed? Very nice. Write down the sum 2, 3, 23 plus 3, 6, 36. Everyone copy this sum. 2, 3, 23 plus 3, 6, 36. Done. Now we are going to solve the ones column, which is 3 plus 6. Now tell me what will be the answer. Would you like to count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Now move towards tens column. Which numbers are there? 2 plus 3. Now who wants to solve the sum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3, we get number 5. Is everybody completed? So, my dear students, here exercise 6A is going to be completed. Okay? I hope you all have understood. If you are any query, then you can message me. Okay? Now, write the heading table of 7. In each and every lecture, I repeat this thing again and again that each and every day you have to make practice regarding the tables, as well as I include any of the table in our syllabus daily lectures. So, right now you all have to write and read table of 7 with me. Okay? Say it loudly as well as write it with a very good handwriting. Huh? Seven ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. Everyone has completed. Very good. Now it's time to note down the homework. Everybody get ready to note down the homework. Complete exercise 6A in your maths fair book. I will send you the notes regarding the same in WhatsApp. You have to copy it with a very good handwriting and make sure that you have to write the heading properly as well as you have to write the numbers properly. Okay, my dear students? Everyone stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.